Hey everyone, welcome to this cleaning video. In today's video, you'll be seeing our daddy cleaning the whole house. In fact, this video is very surprising to me. And please stay along. Let's get started. This video is very surprising, and I can't believe it. The way he attacked every corners of this house. Oh gosh, look my daughter's room. And so guys, let's watch and see how he's going to. Wow. I just stepped out and coming in, I saw this man cleaning everywhere. He even film it. Knowing that I'm not going to do any video again. I said I'm going out of YouTube, and he said no, he's going to make a video for me, and he's going to make me laugh, and this is the surprise. Wow. In case you're wondering how many kids do I have 4 kids, and I have 2 girls, 2 boys, and this is my girls' room, while my other boy is in maybe you'll be seeing a bed in my sitting room, and that is his own room for now, because I have 2 bedroom flat, and for now I can't kill myself. I can only squeeze myself the way I see it. So that's why you see a bed in my sitting room, and a studio bed, not bed, not just a bed, it's a studio bed, I think. And my baby don't want to leave mommy and daddy, so he's in my room. And the girls, this is their room. I wonder how this man can even clean this room. God, I've said I'm not coming to this room again to clean. No, 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 no. This, my girl, she's one in town. I don't want to say anything. See her clothes everywhere. See dirty. Now, wow, mademoiselle. Okay, I know we also messed up the sitting room. Oh, but guys, it's not easy. Okay, he went to our room. Okay, I want to see. God, this video is making me laugh. He also attacked the sitting room area. What a great job. Well done, man. What is it trying to do here? Okay, maybe you want to just sit. Wow. What is? Wow, he's removing the chair cover. Yeah, it's also dirty. You want to change the check cover. Okay, let's continue watch. Wow, see as you change everything. Everywhere is not clean. Wow. Hey, you went to take out this my summer pillow that I refuse to use. Oh God. It's not- Oh wow. See how the pillows are, they are looking beautiful. See the flower, the yellow, the sunflower. Wow. Beautiful. Oh God. Please guys, if you have watched to the SS, then please kindly subscribe to our channel, press the notification bell so that anytime we upload a new video, you'll be the first to get notified. Okay guys, continue enjoy yourself with this video and don't forget to watch our other video. Thank you. God bless you. This man went to take my verse inside the room. God.